In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add recommendations to your LinkedIn profile. Let's dive right into it. Begin by heading over to your preferred web browser and navigate to LinkedIn by typing linkedin.com into the address bar. As the page loads, you'll be greeted by the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you will be presented with options to either sign in or create a new account if you haven't signed up yet. Assuming you already have a LinkedIn account, your next step is to log in. You can do this by using your Google or Microsoft account credentials, or simply by entering your email address and password, depending on your preference. If you use two-factor authentication, which is a fantastic extra security measure, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity. Typically, you'll receive a code sent to your registered phone number, which you'll need to input before proceeding. Once you're logged in successfully, focus your attention on the upper right corner of the LinkedIn page. Here, you'll see your avatar picture representing your profile. Click on this avatar to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options provided, select View Profile. This action takes you directly to your LinkedIn profile where you can make updates or changes as needed. As you land on your profile page, look for the button labeled Add Profile section, which is usually found just below your profile picture. Click on it and a list of potential sections you can add to your profile will appear. From the options that pop up, navigate to the section titled Recommended. Under this category, you'll find a sub-option labeled Add Recommendations. Clicking this option will bring you closer to adding valuable recommendations to your profile. The next screen you'll encounter will prompt you to fill in various details. Here, you might be asked to choose who you want to ask for a recommendation. This could be a past colleague, client, or mentor. Providing context in your request can be incredibly helpful, so take a moment to explain why you're seeking a recommendation from this person and how it will benefit your professional journey. After you've inputted all the necessary details, remember to double-check everything for accuracy before hitting that Save button. Saving your changes ensures that the recommendations you receive will be displayed prominently on your LinkedIn profile. This addition can make your profile significantly more appealing to potential employers or business partners, serving as a testament to your skills and professional history. And that's it. By following these easy-to-understand steps, you've successfully added recommendations to your LinkedIn profile, enhancing its attractiveness and professional credibility. With these recommendations, you now present a much more robust profile that speaks volumes about your professional strengths and experiences. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.